Hello everyone, my name is Sumit and I welcome all of you to PSP self-learning video series. This is another tutorial in Python for beginners. In this tutorial we'll be going to discuss about the GUI development. So I will be going to tell you that by using Python programming, how can we develop a GUI application. So let's understand what is GUI application. So for work on GUI application or to create a GUI application in Python, we need to use a Tkinter standard library, GUI library for Python. So we need to download and install it. Or if you have downloaded the latest version of Python, you will get this Tkinter library, which is inbuilt in your Python folder. So by using this library, Python when combined with Tkinter provides a fast and easy way to create GUI applications, and it provides a powerful object-oriented interface to the TK-GUI toolkit. Now, creating a GUI application using Tkinter is an easy task, and what we can do to perform the GUI application or to create a GUI application using Tkinter is, first of all, we need to import the Tkinter module in our application or in our program. Then we create the GUI application main window. Once the GUI application main window has been created, we'll add one or more widget to the GUI application. Widgets are they are ready-made tools, ready-made objects which we can import directly or which we can add directly on our GUI main window, application main window, and enter the main event loop to take action against each event triggered by the use. So let's talk about the widget, what type of widgets we have available so that we can use on our GUI application in Python. So these are the widgets. We have button, canvas, checkbox, entry. This basically entry if you want to display a single line text field for accepting values from a user. So we can use entry here, entry widget. And if you want multiple lines, then we can go for text. So text widget is used to display text in multiple lines. Also we have got frames, label, list boxes, menu buttons, menus, messages, radio button, scale. So all those who if you have an exposure of any GUI programming language in .NET or in Java, you must be aware of all these tools, all these widgets, because the same widgets we can use in .NET as well as in GUI programming of Java as well. So let's take a very basic example of Python, and by using that program, we'll be going to create a GUI application. So I'm going to launch the IDLE for the Python. So look for in Python 3.4, I'll open IDLE and I'll launch a new file. And within this file, I'm going to write program. So first of all, as I told you, we need to import the Tkinter library. So right here from Tkinter import star. So it will import all the widgets within our application. After that, I'll create a root is equal to tk. TK is a short form of Tkinter. So right here tk. Then I write label1 is equal to label. I just wanted to show a label. I wanted to display a label so that the user can see a message, and this label should be add on this root. This root basically it's a canvas for this Tkinter. Root comma text is equal to hello, welcome to BSP. Then I want this label1 dot pack. Now what is a pack? So this pack is a geometry manager which organizes widgets in block before placing them in the parent widget. So I use this pack here, and after that I write root dot main loop, and we'll be going to save it and run it. So I'll save this program, save it, and I'll save it as GUI program 1 or new one, and let's test it. So to test this program, I click on run and click on run module, and when I click on run module, you can see the Python shell has been launched, and along with that Python shell, a box has been opened, and in this box it's a GUI form, and on this form there is a message. Basically that's the label which we have created there, the hello welcome to BSP. So this is how we can display a label on a window or in a GUI window. Let's take another scenario. In my next scenario, I'm going to add a text box on the form, and when the user enter a name or a text on that form, and while click on a button, I just want to show a message like hello and whatever name user entered over there. So I'm just going to customize this same program, and first of all I write here from ticker import plus, and just after that I write import tickenter dot message box. Now why I am importing this, because I want to display a message box as well. Then I create a function here, def on click function, and within this function I write tickenter dot message box dot show info. This is to show the message, show info. And first will be the label of the message box, so BASP window, and then I write here hello plus entry field dot get. So this entry field we will be going to create in next step. So you can see here I have write down the complete program. Now in this program, first of all I have imported the tickenter. Then I have imported this message box, because this message box I am using here to display the message entered by the it will display the message to the user. And in this message it will get two parameters. First is the title, second will be the text to display. Then I assign a title to the window. Then I add a label, and in this particular top, and the text will be enter your name. This will be the default text of that label. And the grid zero means it will launch a window, and it will automatically divide the window in the grids. And grid zero means in this particular section, so it will start like this: 0 1 2 and 0 1 2. So 0 means this way. Then entry text string var and e1 entry top text variable. So I assign this variable here, and grid row 0 comma column 1. So row 0 means first row and column 1. So it will display a text here. Next, b1 is equal to button top text is equal to click me on command on click function. So when we click on this button, it will call this, it will execute this on click function. It will invoke this on click function. And then grid row 1 column 1. So I want to display a button on in this section, so row 1 and column 1. So it will display the button into this particular section. So that's the program. Now let's test this. So when I run this, I got a window here, and in this window it is asking for we have got a label and a text box, and it is asking for there is a button, and it asking for to enter a text. So I enter a text here. Let's suppose I enter my name, and when I click on click me, I got a message, hello Sumit. So this hello Sumit is the default text. So the text will be passed to this entry text, and this entry text value we are using here by using this get function. So this is how we can create a GUI program by using Python programming language. So that's all in this video. If you have any queries or if you have any questions, you can visit our website www.bisptrainings.com. You can subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos on Python, or you can visit our website for the customized training on Python. Have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.